Hey guys, welcome to Leonard Prince YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the horrible hurricane happening in Florida. Let's take a look about all that is happening.
Um, just really praying for the area that took a direct hit and below that's getting that horrific storm surge. Just praying that all of those people evacuated and took this thing seriously. As far as St. Pete goes, we are getting updates of the roof being ripped off of Tropicana Field. This was staging for first responders, but some of the comments are saying that they were moved out of Tropicana Field before this thing came. So I hope that comes to fruition in the morning and is true, that all of our first responders and linemen that are here to go out and rescue Floridians are safe through this storm. I think St. Pete got over 16 inches of rain, so flash flooding is a huge concern for us right now. Obviously the winds as well, so just not really sure how anything is going there at the moment. So it made landfall on Siesta Key, Florida, which is about an hour and a half south of us, maybe a little less. And this caused the north eye wall to just kind of stall over St. Pete as that thing was making landfall, and it just hit us with over 100-mile-per-hour winds and insane rain for like 2 or 3 hours. So at this point, it doesn't become about any of the stuff or houses. It just becomes about the people who stayed in their lives. So keep praying, you guys.
Hey guys, as you all can see, it's really a great disaster. Let's keep pushing up the video.
back with the 4 p.m. update. Here she comes. Here she comes. Got a lot of rain, a lot of wind.
Hey guys, I hope you all saw what happened in Florida. It's so horrible. At the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.